Hello, fellow nature lovers. Over the past month, I've been diving into the world of birdwatching, and it's been an incredible journey. Along the way, I've picked up some new birding terms that, at first, felt like a foreign language. Words like lifer, plumage, and perch. In today's video, I'll be sharing some of these basic terms with you. Are you ready? Lifer, the holy grail of birding. A lifer is a bird species you've never seen before. It's like finding treasure. The moment you spot a bird you've been hoping for, like the blue-tailed bee-eater, it's an unforgettable moment. Perch, where the magic happens. A perch is simply a place where a bird sits. It could be a tree branch, a wire, or even a fence. It's where the bird takes a break, observes its surroundings, or just shows off its feathers. Fledge, the great escape. When a baby bird leaves the nest and learns to fly, it's called fledging. Here's a spotted wood owlet just fledged and learning to fly. It's a big step in a bird's life. Freedom at last. Plumage, the bird's fashion statement. This refers to the feathers on a bird's body, but it's more than just fashion. It's how they communicate and attract mates. For example, the male brown-throated sunbird sports vibrant, iridescent feathers during breeding season. Talk about runway looks. Bill, the bird's all-purpose tool. A bird's bill, or beak, is its multi-purpose tool. It's used for eating, drinking, and even self-defense. Take the crested goshawk, for example, with its sharp, hooked bill designed for tearing through prey, or the rose-ringed parakeet, with its strong, curved bill perfect for cracking seeds. Preening, the bird's beauty routine. Birds love to keep clean. Preening is when a bird uses its beak to tidy up its feathers. It's like a grooming session. They remove dirt, parasites, and strengthen their feathers. Let's get into some terms that'll help you understand the birds you see every day. Resident, the year-round neighbors. Resident birds are the locals, hanging around all year long. You'll spot them no matter the season. Birds like the Eurasian tree sparrow, they never leave. Migrant, the seasonal travelers. Migrant birds are the globetrotters, visiting for part of the year during migration. The little egret, for example, migrates to Singapore from its breeding grounds in Southeast Asia. So when you spot one, you're seeing a true seasonal traveler. Now, let's talk about common and uncommon birds. Common, the everyday birds. Common birds are the ones you'll see regularly. These guys are the regulars in your birdwatching adventures. Uncommon, the infrequent sightings. Uncommon birds aren't seen every day, but you'll still spot them on occasion. They're less frequent than common species, but still more likely to appear than rare ones. Birds like the spotted wood owl might not be everyday sightings, but you might catch a glimpse now and then. Consider it a special treat. Flock, the birding party. A flock is simply a group of birds hanging out together. Some birds, like the Asian glossy starling, often travel in large flocks, especially in the evening when they gather in roosting sites. It's like a massive bird road trip. Call, the bird's voiced. Each bird has a unique call or song. The oriental magpie robin, for example, has a melodious and varied song that's often heard early in the morning, while the spotted dove has a soft, cooing call that's a bit more gentle. Learning these calls is like unlocking a secret bird language. That's it for today's birding terms. I hope this video helped you understand the basics of birdwatching a bit more. If you're new to birding, or just looking to brush up on your knowledge, keep these terms in mind the next time you're out spotting birds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more birding tips and tricks. Until next time, explore nature, refresh your soul,